Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through how to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking them. So to do this, I pulled up here a person that I have a connection with on my Facebook. And I'm going to click over this button over here that says Friends. It's going to pull up this menu where we're going to read one of the options that says Edit Friend List. We're going to click on that. And it's going to pull up this other menu where you see different groups that you can assign this friend into. And one of them is the restricted. So we click on restricted, click on save. And just like that, we restricted someone on Facebook without having to unfriend them or blocking them. So they actually can't notice that they're restricted unless, somehow they realize that you've been posting from someone else's profile. Okay, that's it. If it was helpful for you, please consider leaving a like, a silly comment for the algorithm, or subscribing. It really helps me out. See you next time.